Welcome back to another episode of Paint Society. Here's the #1 way to get a clean paint job. Well, work in a clean environment, and we're going to show you that exactly today. We're going to get this whole entire booth coated, including the floor, get this place up to par for a beautiful, clean paint job. And thanks again for joining me on this episode. Today we're going to be using like 90 products on our wall, as well as applying a pig mat to the floor to help absorb all of that dirt and debris and keep it down on the ground. And we're going to start right now with the preparation. So the preparation is going to be to scrape up our windows and to get our walls all nice and clean. We've already removed all of our filters, so we're going to go ahead and clean all of that area right now. So let's go ahead, let's scrape up all of our windows and let's mask everything up. So now that the booth is all ready to go, we're going to be using our peelable coating. Now there's two different types of coatings. They can be washable or peelable. And the cool thing about peelable is you can add another coating to it before you actually peel it off, making it easier to peel. They also have the particle dust control, which you can put into a pump sprayer bottle like this to be done daily. And that really just helps keep things down. So basically what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be starting off with the coating. We're going to spray it down. We're first going to start with a 1.8 tip. We're going to see how well that works. After that, we're going to put down the pig mat and we'll show you how that's done. Now it's very important to read the directions. So if you read the directions, it actually does say 2.2 to 2.5. Now I only have a 1.8 in here. And the reason why they want you to do that 2.2 to 2.5 is obviously it's going to spray a little bit better and you're going to get that peelability. Now, luckily for us, we're still going to stick with the like 90 products. So after we're going to reapply this, we'll be able to build it up and reapply it before we go to peel it off when that time comes. Well, we just finished taking off all the masking and completely blowing out this place, and it looks phenomenal. Now I ended up putting on one more coat. We did actually a total of 2 coats. It looks beautiful. We had 4 total gallons. We ended up having actually 1 full gallon left over for touch-ups. Now, if you go back and look at the directions, you can reapply if you need to do some touch-ups, or maybe 3 months from now, reapply, but it's stating in 6 months to completely peel it off and then start over again. So if you come over to the booth coating over here, it's really pretty smooth, to be honest with you. It's nice, and you know, it might have a little texture to it just based off the spraying, but it lays very, very, very smooth, all completely around. And since it's so thick, if any of your walls have any crustiness on it, it really helps to build up over that crustiness and smooth it out completely. Now, let's take a look at the floor. It's ready for its pig mat coating, and we're about to lay it out, and we'll see how well that works out. Well, the guys, we got it done in about 2 or 3 hours, and it looks phenomenal. Now, what we have here is that pig mat laid down. We almost just about had enough completed. It's a pretty big booth, and we just pieced together a couple pieces here. Now, all you're seeing here is masking tape. Now, they say the maintenance for this is to actually vacuum it up, because the pig mat, it will actually hold down a lot of the dust and the dirt and contamination. And instead of blowing it all over the place, vacuuming it up is gonna give yourself a cleaner and better job. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this to the test in the next couple months. We'll do an update video and see how clean our jobs are coming out. But as of now, our floor is really good. And believe it or not, the green, they actually did a case study on the green versus the blue. And they said that the green makes everyone happier. So if you guys are interested in being happier at work, get the green pig mat. Guys, this is Brian from Paint Society reminding you, don't overthink it, just paint. See you guys on the next episode.